The Filipino antonyms masaya, which means happy, and malungkot, which is sad. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya siyang makita ang kanyang mga apo. He or she is happy to see his or her grandchildren. Masaya means happy siya is he or she. Makita means like to see. And then kanya is his or her, is gender neutral. And then apo is a grandchild. And then mga is the plural marker. So mga apo, it means grandchildren. Masaya siyang makita ang kanyang mga apo. Nagdulot ng malungkot na damdamin ang pelikula. The movie brought sad feelings. So nagdulot is like gave or brought. Malungkot is sad. Damdamin is the feeling. And then pelikula is a story or the movie. Nagdulot ng malungkot na damdamin ang pelikula. Nagkaroon kami ng masayang pagdiriwang. It means we had a cheerful celebration. So nagkaroon is like has or had. And then kami is like we. And then masaya is happy. Pagdiriwang is a celebration. Nagkaroon kami ng masayang pagdiriwang. Siya ay laging malungkot sa klase. He or she is always gloomy or sad in class. Siya is he or she. It's gender neutral. Lagi is always malungkot is sad or gloomy, and then klase is class, so sa klase in class. Siya ay laging malungkot sa klase. Masaya, it means happy in English. Malungkot is sad. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya, malungkot.